Hello, first grade. Welcome to week 2 of being stuck at home and not being able to go to school. I'm sure you're not having fun just like I'm not having fun. I wish we could all be together. But alas, we are stuck here. We are going to go on to week 2 of our library review. We have the very first page is the same page we did last week. This is parts of a fiction book. Okay, so I'm going to give you the answers today. All right, and then you can check yourself to make sure that you got it right last week. All right, so this is going to be funny because it's going to be upside down to you, I think. All right, let's try this. I'm going to hold it like this. It's still backwards to you, so it doesn't matter if I hold it up or not. All right, let's do this. We're going to start with this top box right up here, all right? And I'm sorry that it's backwards, all right? This right here is a summary. A summary, that is what I told you last week, was a sentence or a couple sentences on the back cover of a book that tells you what the story is about, all right? So summary in our first box. Let's go around like a clock. Our second one right here, that's pointing to what? Tell me. Title. I heard some of you say title. Get title written down in that box. The next picture is showing us, that is the front cover. Could have been an illustration, but that's not one of our words. So front cover. All right, right here, this is pointing to by Heather Monahan. If we see the word by on the cover of a book, we know that is the author. That is who wrote the book, by the author. And usually underneath the author is the illustrator. That says illustrated by Corey Fields. Get the word illustrator in your box. And that leaves us with one last word and one last box. The summary I told you is found on the back cover. Your last box should say back cover. Make sure you fill in this page today and go and check your work from last week. Make sure you have the correct answers there. Flip on to the next page with me. We are doing spring break ABC order. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and circle the first letter of all 8 of those words. So circle the S, R, C, P, B, U, O, and T. Circle the first letter of all of your words. And when we put words into ABC order, we are looking at the first letter of our words, okay? And we go right through the alphabet. We're going to do this together since I don't have the alphabet at the top of your page today. So let's see. Do we have any words that begin with the letter A? No, I did not circle any letter A's. Do we have any words that begin with the letter B? I see one. Do you see it? What is that word? Tell me louder. That word is bugs, B-U-G-S. You can write the word bugs on your first line, and then you can cross off the word bugs because we won't use it again. All right, what comes after the letter B? The letter C, and we have a C word. Do you know what that word says? I heard somebody. Cloud. Cloud is going to be number 2. Cloud. Write it down, cross it off. All right, what comes after C? D. Do we have any D words? No. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Oh, stop! I see an O word. Outside. That's a compound word. Outside. Outside is number 3. Write it down, cross it off. What letter comes after O? L-M-N-O-P. Play. You guys are smart. I hear you guys talking to me. All right. Outside, play, cross them off. P, Q, no Q. R, rain. Good word. R, S. This word is sun. It should be snow because it snowed the other day. You guys know what I think about snow. Not a thing. What comes after S? T. What's your T word? Tree. Good job. And one last word. Big word. I heard you. Umbrella. Nice job. Totally backwards. Bugs, clouds, outside, play, rain, sun, tree, umbrella. Nice work. All right. We have 2 reading comprehensions. I'm going to read them to you. I am not going to tell you the answers. These you are going to have to do by yourself so that your packet can be turned in as soon as we get back to school, which better be sooner rather than later. You know what I'm saying? Let's do scary movie together. Carlos and Caroline love going to the movies. Popcorn tastes great. Sometimes they get candy too. Today they are watching a scary movie. It's about ghosts. The ghosts live in the same house as a family. The ghosts make strange things happen. Pictures fall off the wall. The family is scared. Carlos and Caroline are scared too. Caroline almost drops her popcorn. But soon the ghosts stop scaring the family. Everyone becomes friends. The movie ends. Then Carlos and Caroline find Dad outside. They get in the car and ride home. Carlos tells Dad all about the movie. Dad asks them if they want to see a scary movie again. Yes, next Saturday, please, they say. Obviously, Carlos and Caroline are not in the middle of a quarantine because our movie theaters are closed. You cannot go to the movie theater next Saturday. Let's look at our questions. Question number 1. Where are Carlos and Caroline? Movies, school, kitchen. Where are Carlos and Caroline? Circle your best answer. Question number 2. What is the movie about? Giraffes, ghosts, or cars? What is the movie about? Circle your best answer. Number 3. Who drives them home? Ghost, Mom, or Dad? Please don't pick Ghost. They did not get driven home by a ghost. Who drives them home? Number 4. When will they see another movie? Never, Saturday, or spring? When will they see another movie? Finish that page, and here you go. Know about snow. This is what you can do now because I'm looking outside and there's still snow outside. Here we go. Know about snow. What is falling from the sky? It's white and fluffy. It must be snow. Snow can fall anytime it's cold outside. It usually falls in the winter. It falls most often in the north where it gets very cold. Snow is made when water in the clouds turns to ice. Pieces of ice come together. These pieces are called snowflakes. The snowflakes fall from the clouds to the ground. Have you seen snowflakes up close? Each one has a different shape. When many fall together, they can make big piles of snow. It is fun to play in the snow. You can make large balls of snow, put them in a pile, add a hat on top. It's a snowman. All right, here's our questions. Number 1, what is snow made of? Ice, glass, or candy? Tricky question. What is snow made of? Circle your best answer. Number 2, when does snow fall? Summer, winter, never. Ugh. Some places snow does fall never. But let's talk about this story specifically because this story tells us when snow falls. Okay? Number 3, where is the most snow? My backyard is not an answer. Your choices are south, west, and north. Where is the most snow? And number 4, what can you make with balls of snow? Snowflake, snowman, or mailman? What can you make with balls of snow? And that, my loves, is the end of our packet. So here's the thing. Next week, we still do not have school. Next week, you will have library assignment. You will find it on your Google Classroom page. I am a teacher in there too, so I will be able to post an assignment for you next week. But there will also be a YouTube video. All right, there will be a YouTube video telling you what to do, but your assignment is going to have to be turned in on Google Classroom since there's no more pages in the packet. All right, hang in there. 2 weeks without you guys is a really, really long time. I'm trying to think of it like a vacation, but I really, really miss you guys. All right, hang in, be safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.